Enti the Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, when you miss call, but we are monitoring and cry. I say when you miss call, serious miss call. Afia Vimlady, RalphDeFellowGhanaians, any some of the Ghanaians are clashing with Dr. Frank Amoakohene for what is happening at CAT, that is Confanachi Teaching Hospital. Any Efimbia, Dori Kumasi Mountains, Kayeta Mountains, so Afia ne Ralph abe clashing with Frank Amoakohene. Me wan chire mu no chire wadwen e dia mame e wo comment section how you penya work media me so say any demo obe like video da ma subscribe buttons abe click benefication and connect latest update abe chire wadwen dia mame e wo comment section baswa no chire first enya bia hwe it is all Mahama Amemu appointees o make ya yebeka say Frank Amoakohene was the youngest person to be a regional minister. Let's say eye enonyam sekese pa ana Mahama e dia share Dr. Frank Amoakohene as a young guy anka Mahama expect a lot from him, but unfortunately, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, ama stardom edidi ni trim. Cheze, wama edidi ni trim ma ase akura. O ma mi akodwo ma wo ba wato ade bia ye special ede abred akura hu bi dan se odidi agro. Ehye ne da bro so ho daw no ye de dekura se ne ade na ka ya hye ne nsa no se obema na ni akọ no ehu hia. Anu aba so dina Facebook ene TikTok ene ne post no meki obeka comment section no besie ni so ya akura o ya panyini o meki ni post na be ye yi bia o comment section obenya time eno de sie ni time to time bia no was so live or kasa no kire nsemu chese and you know honestly a medical doctor when a doctor by profession professional medical doctor when you be kumasa obobra wa ko school oni mo de nyansa gunitirim but what the position no other social media fanatics what the social media comedy ha say na obeka ya unu so obaka na hanuma hospitals akese a agidini baako ene Confanachi Teaching Hospital, that is CAT. Ofa Ghana ha nyina Rich Hospital, Kolebu Hospital, Confanachi eka ho bi ontimi nyu Confanachi in Frimo esebu so many regions ewa Ghana ha se obi bibi tu obi wo ekwan mu ha ba bia na abeboro so a tachima ho nyina se boro so yedin ba kura transfer ba Confanachi sudwan ho nyina wanchi mu lai ho nyina se boro obi so a yedi obi anya condition kese na boro so a ye transfer no e ba Confanachi esebu so many regions ewa Ghana ha e was nka aban no ma ye ni ko ho na you know your regional minister have something like betting akatron adwuma no hia no e ho fans e hia ne sin adwuma na ngasa na wo ye no adwuma no ho fans e hia no e sin adwuma na ngasa na nansi yan ana cat e conference teaching hospital no kan was no obere krata ba botro mo chiri mo say the emergency and the accident unit hono no e ho aye ma it they can't admit new patient meaning say sebe wakonya accident ana say bia wa ya na ya re no o critical condition mu a yentimi mfa nko Confanachi because omu emergency ward na ehwa ayema omu emergency ward ayema ana omu accident unit that omu accident ward no so ehwa ayema na say abiasem kase because cat esebu so many regions say we can echire mu no obi wo wanchi aha kese ufri Kumasi ha twabuko echire nyina de ansana beduru akra no already ni Kolebo no hospital 150 serve with these regions cat Confanachi Teaching Hospital. It's a day benese. Abiasem to be man for every say any Frank Amoakohene no why because now no we need expansion. I was say hospital no mutimi expansion e wo mu cause Ghana ye Dawson enipa Dawson ya ade na me Dawson no I was say mutimi bona from time to time ye expansion any ade the rehabilitation e wo ho no mo but Ghana for ni bi ehwe Frank Amoakohene at this moment no say no si ni Ghana ha no mo ni akra masa woni ha oni na be be awo be kan yere no ordinary yere to kwai wa fly na yere Ghana eko USA ama na yere akọwo ho no just a Ghana hospital nyina well no kra we medical doctor no medical doctor e wo Ghana just a medical doctor o yere be wo no wa ma o yere anwo Ghana ja won trust Ghana o person ne ba American citizen you say o mani more than o do say Ghana edene o person ne ba be Ghanaian citizen o person ne ba be Ghana ni ntino wa ma na yere etu kwai kwa we ba e wo outside USA montino so na ano ana Afia Vimlady together with GH Kosi any small TikTokers aba blast Frank Amoakohene.
It is a minister regional minister ida kwa wo no etumi afa ne ho afa ne ba oh nyankopon shira oba no onhwe no so no ye da nyankopon so glory to God, say minister na ira wo. Name the double standards that come with it, and you see, but a double standard say Ashanti regional minister. Mwana munipa na mo kitchen blogger. Mwa di obi a wo Ghana ha bia atem, so obi akwa abroche for medical treatment. Mwa di obi an men kai kro ekufu adoni ninia Asante Bedi etu okwa yare ye wa abroche. There were NDC people were praying on NDC for supporters. E bompaye for Asante Bedi atu onwu aden na wakwa abroche. Aden no ntena Ghana ha no onwu. Aden na Asante Bedi etu akwa abroche. Look at the Rollins. At a point, Rollins will be chasing for say 1 man 1 toilet. It's not the Mago school abroche Northern Ireland. I'm saying say a double standard. Just say when you accuse Oforiata, you accuse MPP, you accuse Asante Bedi etu so Omako abroche akowo. Omako abroche akosho omohoni di omatem, even wishing that they would die. People were wishing Asante Bedi etu onwu. Na Ashanti regional minister. As a young man, I want political future ke see wenim. O political future ke see wenim. Na o de yere akwa abroche akowo. O so ye medical doctor. Dr. Amoakohene nankasa ye medical doctor. Ntu de won trust unianum doctors nko wan kasa kra Dr. Amoakohene no. O wan kra so betimi ajo yere na wo. O ene o nye a guy crowd. O you can assemble the best of your colleagues. So mbeye. I don't fault him. It's just a matter of double standard. Say, Ashanti regional minister, the NDC supporters, be person say you okay. So no be kwa broche. Double standards. And the Ashanti regional minister tell me they send America Dr. Amoakohene, me say me fire because me I have a personal interest in your growth and success. So I want you to succeed so bad. Because me am the many two former ye groomy we are. We are young, me child baby. And you grooming here, you can become even the president of Ghana. And that is why some of these excesses, no Ashanti regional minister must not be seen to be committing them. Must not be seen to be committing them. Someone party for party. Na Ashanti regional minister won't can be here. It's okay. And you see, on a more serious note, I was saying me catch Ashanti regional minister, so focusing on the here. Ne jan chen na o hwe no. And now only way jabe or china kuni way kuntakwa adia chen oni pola do moche and enye bibia na yesoso Ashanti regional minister Dr. Amoakohene nye bibia na yesoso nye bibia na wasa wo de ba bonten. You must not be excited about the followers na TikTokers now mo yodium no. Focus on the vision no wunni mani so adu wan yankopon ade ama wo wanim. So much is ahead of you. It is a one tobo. What I said, one tobo. Nasa wo be yesen chen na obetwe na wama excitement na ko utiri wo ye millennial wo nya Gen Z kra. Nasa wo pese excitement ko mo man no eno be blind wa mo akokopem. Dr. Amoakohene, ade we wo sa opache. Withdraw this, apologize, remove this. Withdraw this thing and apologize. This is something Ashanti regional minister ko post online. Oni akosua menu o se den na enya no mo ko back and forth. Then Ashanti regional minister akwa posti we as a jab. Say, Akosua kuma okon ado ana. Do you want to have a taste of it? How does a medical doctor Ashanti regional minister, wunye normal food soldier, wunye normal minister, wunye normal person, you are a medical doctor. So many people in the profession are looking up to you. Meanwhile, we are medical doctor, there are standards, ethical standards that you must meet. In any case, as regional minister, we are aware, say, politics here, politics. Me, the reason why this year, me say, yeah, marketing blogger, non any Teletubbies, mini Teletubbies, in a chance and say, look, Emma, no bully women. But me here and say, no, there's number one attack to bully women. No bully one as also, but no, what come behind you, nothing, your family, or bully or money account, embasso. Minister, no, on one young politician, yano, keke, and the minister decides to go here. So the onoane co-politician, the fellow politician or bar or the nasibedi natem. And when we say the NDC has paid kitchen bloggers, any people to insult women, the minister himself or the obiasi edi natem no. The minister himself edi obiasi edi natem sebe. Minister no. Na watch week a one kasa oyire awo from the same place now did do yonko batem no. As a medical doctor. Our ethical standard of behavior. you decide to descend this low and to insult a young politician or bar, na se sebi onipa na one ne kono your bema nka obeka gosi okuma asama kire no. Or your bema na ka one ne kon ka obeka chense ne kon ado ana. Nti Ashanti Regional Minister, unim de yema wa ko delete that post and apologize to that woman. Under no circumstances, there should be no provocation. I don't want to hear, and again, I can't say it. Politicians, their modi yamuhono. Their modi yamuhono. Munjina mu yamu koshia osami jemfie eyi asede na manya ma hage mo. Minister Dr Amoakohene, delete this and apologize. Adiebu on ma mfata kaniba. And mfata Ghana niba. Mfata medical doctor. Mfata bemen munyam for te se wo. Na no ko youth a delay show interview akọ emi hu nkra no mani age amana bro so this is a distant man who has a future. If you want me amefa na agenda say Abrante way I will personally invest myself in his career to help him say under no circumstance e be man achia because who win here all of us win, your region wins, every young person wins. There's a future because I believe say young people have a different thinking that they bring to the table. But hey they oye fame no awenya on TikTok ni code trim a code trim to the extent that what share coin no cry minister who say what share coin no we dey watch here I had you've gone too far, delete it. It's in the week awo yira sukuta ko se kuma ibio he den na odi ko di obi atem a whole regional minister eye den na odi we ko di uyonko nipa da seni oba atem politics me over the years me started say me adwuma as a media person. I have seen so many women in politics bebre jai because of things like this. Babe, and I've seen so many workshop training here. They who to me ko show you very good person. So we bet me politics, we bet me MP, or something yet. We bet me or something yet DC or something yet. And yes, so many politicians there woman. Because we are not getting good quality politicians, I think, because they attempt the as silencing the discerning people, no.
And I no pray me that sorry a news way. Enemy huni a mama yankin kan. I say Ashanti Regional Minister flies wife give birth in USA. Or say Ashanti Regional Minister Eya Frank Amoakohene. Or the ne yere edi ako USA so onko nonko wo ewo USA wo. Sa news we se nye ne kora dia fine. But sa news we eya ne kora se eya mpa se eya Ashanti Regional Minister Frank Amoakohene. Wo twa print ticket dia ma ne wife. Ama na akọ ewo US ho dia but now esese Ashanti Regional Minister Frank Amoakohene but now esese or resign as a Ashanti Regional Minister. Se sa news we eye ne kure se Ashanti Regional Minister Frank Amoakohene e de ne yiri akọ US so onko wo dia but now esese Frank Amoakohene or resign as Ashanti Regional Minister because Sawuwo Comfort Teaching Hospital ewo Kumasi na wo yere pese owo na wamfa na nko sa Comfort Teaching Hospital woman wo yere na anwo na wotimi twa plane ticket de ma wo yere ma ne ko wo ewo abrochi dia we kire se eye Comfort Teaching Hospital no eye useless. Frank Amoakohene me yehu ni say eye Comfort Teaching Hospital na ewo Ashanti region no eye useless because sankesa hospital ni nye useless a na nke Frank Amoakohene be ma ne yere na akọwo ho na nko ontwa print ticket emfa ma ne yere so nko wo US. Se sa news ni ye ne prepare say Frank Amoakohene twa ne yere print ticket amane so nkowo ewo US. Abremaye wo Village Hospital, abremaye wo Lego Hospital wo Ghana ha. Na wontimi amfa ne yira amfa nko Lego Hospital ana Village Hospital. Na ne yira anko ankowo. Na otimi twa print ticket e de ma ne yire se ne yire nkowo abrochi a. We kira wo say Ghana Frank Amoakohene ama Ghana fo ati asese. Eye Village Hospital ana Lego Hospital na President John Dramani Mahama si ya de ma Ghana for no useless. And Frank Amoakohene or so or resign as a regional minister? Because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Sir, as a regional minister, sir, as a Obia was say, young from regional minister, Obia was say, who be supporting me ya tete o man Ghana, ya o man ye. A leader set by example. But wona wo ka kire Ghana for say wo ba beboa na ya tetire o man Ghana ni yie no wo yire akwa wo no wo di na ko US say onko no nko wo US enso make say na ye wo hospitals e wo Ghana ha we kire say wo Frank Amoakohene, you are not qualified enough. Frank Amoakohene is not qualified enough to be an Asante regional minister, to be an Ghanaian leader. Frank Amoakohene is not qualified enough to be in that position. That is the fact. They be a natural. They be a mechanical natural. As a doctor, who you doctor for Ghana? Who you Ghana for doctors? Who you Ghana for doctor? And you were hospitals who are mining. It's Argentina wo yere ne pese owo a one fa na nko hospitals na e wo Ghana ha no one fa na nko bi bo be tamna ko US say onkonkwo wo e wo US no nye US citizen. Now that means automatically no oh my Ghana for atiase say Ghana is a useless country. Ghana is a useless country. Now hospitals na e wo Ghana ha no she useless hospitals. That is the fact. That is what you want to explain to Ghanaians. And me blame you, Bia. Me blame me no because me di me Jimmy. Me na me di me Jimmy to Obama President John Dramani Mahama. And over the Frank Amoakohene as a regional minister. And Frank Amoakohene mama tia CSA. Me a regional minister, me a Ghana leader, but me yere nyama. Me yere be wo. Men fanning call Ghana hospitals. They didn't be called Bruchi Hospital.
Abusanfo Asanteman ya boka. Asanteman ye ni minister, regional minister na what so ne sa said be abofre bi na adwene wo form and ya fa na brain so be regional minister. Abusanfo minim se ne mat news se Comfort Hospital. Dr. Force we yarefo a omuntumi nye wo nto ho. Ana o yoba na o ba awo so omuntumi nye wo efise hospital no empa no ayema asa empa ni ho. Regional Minister Amoakohene na wo no yayi ni se o mehwa Asanteman puntuo so no. Ne yere nyemwa abusuafo wa fa ne yere no e de natena aeroplane mu de no kwa America se onkonko wo America ho. Enipa no ayede mmemme no yeto etua ne ka no wo de yere ekọ so onko wo America. Emfonyi ne dato so no ne yere ne ko ye no na America kurom no obo life ne fonyi na me dato so no America kurom ho e na ma managina eye New York Times Square era wo twa mfonyi e na kyese wo de cheche yen ati Asanteman mu kyese Asanteman mu ya ati Asanteman ye hiafo ye ntumi mfa ya busuafo nkwa abrochire ni kunu regional minister ni kwa abrochire so onkowo e na wonam abrochire abonten so a ode ne ho kyere no na busuafo Amoakohene ankasa na oye doctor o Comfort Hospital ne yere no so no so ye nurse e wo Comfort Hospital and na Amoakohene say hospital bi ani Ghana ha e betima age ne yere awo enti ordinate na aeroplane makwa America na ebusa bra Amoakohene o meye minister na yere nyim na owo no ehe na owo ye owo Asanteman pom eho na okowo ye sa bra na de na Amoakohene oni tumi enti na yere tumi wo Asanteman pom ba na the original minister enti na yere wo Ghana enyi ye ordinate kwa America onkwase abo NDC for di bu Asanteman onkwase abo a Amoakohene na NDC for omudi bu Asanteman Amoakohene ye ka kiro ye ka bibia no betena social na o twensem hunu asif sesebi accept me as a way special child me who how to describe you Amoakohene to me as sound nsem hu na wudin to me esesa. But don't forget, to me necessary. Uba betrem, you account to the people of Ashanti region. Kwanya odi esika fast one, you account to us. Odi Asante man esika na de oyere ekwa bruchi so nkwo. You account to the people of Ashanti region.
Na enche bia nansia mu ana ose ade yo Adwumabadu the second. His Royal Majesty Nana Adomaihene or celebrating his 60th birthday. Sunday 12 last week no and I was celebrating 60th birthday. Na hono no, you know, na eyi ebe twem akohobi. RalphDeFellowGhanaians ebe sene twem akodoma celebrate birthday ni bi ewo hono mo. Na oduru Kumasi say, "Hey, there be a me twem Kumasi, but a few where they me who be that 80 where is the regional minister? Because more regional minister say oh yeah adwuma. Na adwuma wo ye who be that? Oh yeah adwuma, ye who ne su be that. Or hefa a few way egu kejetia 80 way any sema Ralph Dr Frank Amoakohene.
The second largest capital city. We assign the account kingdom. We kingdom. There's Baku Ponso. Near Tia, Amoakohene, honorable the or ya dear, honorable. Ye Bakumas and on yes you. Light and so. Street light 1 year. So look at this. Where in the world did you travel, baby? Who posted the picture? Now here you say, and him for the light in. Let's stop this. Let's stop this. Let's serve the people. Let's stop playing mind games. The people deserve leadership.
We wait actually while you edit mame. I will comment section. How you pin your block media? Okay.